Hello students, through this video we will study part 2 of class 10th history chapter The Age of Industrialization. Topic 2 is hand labor and steam power. Students, despite the fact that industries had started coming up in Europe, but industrialists still preferred to employ hand labor instead of machines. There are many reasons for the same. There are as follows. First one is supply of labor. In Britain, the supply of labor was very high and their demand was low, and as a result, their wages were also low. So industrialists preferred hand labor. Then the demand of labor was seasonal as well. Gas works, breweries, and even ship repairing required workers for a particular season. Then next reason is intricate designs. That means complex designs and some shapes could be produced only by humans and not by machines. For example, 500 types of hammers were produced in Britain, 45 types of axes were produced, and all these specific shapes and designs could not be produced by machines. Then the upper class, the aristocrats, they preferred handmade goods only because according to them, handmade products symbolized refinement and class. They were better finished, they were individually produced and carefully designed. आज भी अगर हम कोई ऐसी कपड़ा खरीदते हैं जो हाथ से बनाया गया है तो हम बड़े प्राउडली कहते हैं कि ये हैंडमेड है. So in the same way, the handmade products were preferred in the earlier time as well. But in countries like America, there was a shortage of human labor, so they preferred machines instead of human labor. Here is the next topic, life of workers. Life of workers in England was not at all easy. First of all, their job depended upon friendship. That means if somebody had a friend working in industry, then through his recommendation, one could get the job. Otherwise, getting a job was very difficult. Then workers, they did not have permanent homes. Many of them slept under bridges. Many of them slept in the night shelters maintained by public or private authorities. Then the work was also seasonal, and due to seasonality of work, many of the workers became unemployed in the off season, and then they used to either return back to their villages, but most of them settled in the city and did odd jobs during the off season. Then one of the most important points is although wages also increased at some time in England, but the prices were also rising. So the real value of wages came down. Now, what does this mean? Let's say the salary of the workers doubled and the prices also doubled. So, with increased salary, you cannot buy more goods. So, in reality, the salary although has increased, but you cannot buy more. So, the real value of wages, we say, have come down. And then spinning jenny, a new machine came up because of which labor demand fell further. It was a machine for spinning. And then there was economic slump also in Europe, which when demand and production reduced, so which increased unemployment. So unemployment increased because of economic slump as well as because of the machines, and as a result many workers became hostile towards the new machines. They started attacking them, and after 1840s construction activities started in Britain. For example, construction of railways, roads, bridges, and these activities provided some employment opportunities to the workers. So students, here is the list of inventors and their inventions. Richard Arkwright, he created the first cotton mill which brought the production process under one roof, and hence production became faster. Then James Watt, he improved the steam engine which was initially designed by Thomas Newcomen, and the steam engine was used to run machines and it increased the productivity by speeding up the production process. Then James Hargreaves, he devised spinning jenny. Spinning jenny also speeded up the production process and reduced the demand of labor. I hope you remember the charkha that was used by Gandhiji. That charkha had one wheel and one rod on which the thread rotated. So that rod is actually known as spindle. You can see the image of spinning jenny over here. This has one wheel but many spindles. So one wheel is used to spin lot of yarn, and with many spindles lot of yarn can be spun. Thank you so much.